What up YouTube, Quasi here. I'm about to try to replace my gear shift lever and rear set here. You can see that it snapped off. I got the parts in today, so we'll give it a shot. I don't have any instructions, but hopefully it's not too crazy. So here's the new shifter, my old one, and I have this metal piece here. I actually might end up needing to replace this. I don't know where I can order it, but because it looks like it might be a little bent. Hard to tell. We'll see. That's my old shifter, obviously. New one. And here's the rear set. Perfect. That's not bad at all. Cool, that's off. Now how do I take this piece off? Does it pop off or what? I don't know what type of screw that is, what mechanism. I'm not very mechanically inclined, obviously, but hopefully we'll be able to figure it out. So let's get this off. Easy. Perfect. I want to make sure I got the right side in the right way. So I'm going to go ahead and screw that in. I don't know how far. I'll just do it like that for now. Oh shit. Ugh. Where'd it go? Got it. Okay. That was a lot of struggle. Now, does this just pop out? Yep. Beautiful. Damn, didn't even see which way that went. Should be out for these. Yep. I think that looks right. Let's pop this baby back on. So we got that. I don't want to hammer it in there, do I? Yes, I do. There we go. Cool. Perfect. So what's left? This piece. Shit. There we go. Holy shit. Torque wrench and vice clamp. There we go. Oh, wait a minute. Holy shit, I did it. God damn. I sure as hell hope I put that on right. Right? Yeah, okay, that scared me for a second. Shit. Where's that last Allen key? My mind is fucked up right now. Got it. Good. Good. Whoo! This is exciting. Yes. I think we Gucci. All right. What up, YouTube? Quasi here because I forgot a major step the last time I tried to replace my shift lever, and that was tightening these bolts or nuts, whatever they are. If you don't tighten these, then this whole piece can come out and you'll be stuck in whatever gear you're in first or whatever, and you're gonna have to turn around and come home like I did. So make sure that after you adjust this to the height you want by either tightening or loosening this bolt, that you tighten the locking nuts or whatever they're called. I don't know what they're called. So for me, I think I had to tighten them both this way to get them to lock in position. But yeah, that's about it. All's good now. Been riding about a week or 2 weeks since I replaced the shift lever, and it's so good to be back on the bike. I missed it. But yeah, that's all I got. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know. Peace.